Is your Land Rover Discovery 5 key fob not working? Don't panic. Most issues stem from simple problems like a dead battery or software glitches. First, try replacing the CR2032 battery. A weak signal often causes unlocking delays or no response within 3 to 5 feet. If that doesn't work, perform a hard reset by holding the lock and unlock buttons simultaneously for 10 to 15 seconds until the lights flash. This clears temporary faults. These two steps solve most common issues. Remember to avoid extreme temperatures as they can damage the sensors. If battery replacement and a hard reset don't solve the problem, the issue might be with the proximity antenna, often due to corrosion or damage. You can try diagnosing the antenna via the vehicle's diagnostic menu using the In Control app or an OBD2 scanner. For water ingress, like in coastal areas, try drying the antenna with compressed air. Land Rover also releases over-the-air OTA software updates. Check via the In Control app that address key fob connectivity issues. If problems persist, especially after a power surge, ECU reprogramming or antenna replacement by a professional is recommended. Note that supply chain issues may delay parts by 4 to 6 weeks.